Programming is a demanding and often relentless job that requires the right equipment. Choosing the best laptops for programming isn't as simple as buying the priciest machine you can find. It's got to have the right kind of components. For starter, it's vital to have a powerful processor that can handle coding, compiling, test environments, and virtual machines, and you'll also need at least 16GB of memory, with 32GB preferable. Also, the best laptops for coding should have a fast SSD to ensure that files and apps load quickly. And if you regularly work on the road, you'll need a good battery life too. You'll probably spend hours looking at this laptop, so it's important to have a high quality display. It'll render your code crisply and help avoid eye strain. And you're going to be doing loads of typing on your new laptop, so a crisp, comfortable keyboard is essential. We have listed the top 5 laptops for programming and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Google Pixelbook. When Google first launched the Chromebook, it was to offer consumers an affordable and reliable laptop compared to the others on the market. While there are iterations of the Chromebook that are great for programming, the Pixelbook was designed to compete with the Apple of the laptop world. Supporting Google's Android Studio development tools, the Chrome OS is on par with any standard Windows laptop. It's also going through a beta phase for Linux support as well. With its choice of either 8 or 16GB of RAM, up to a 512GB SSD, and a dual-core Intel Core i7, the Pixelbook has the specs that you're looking for when programming. And when you're not in the full programming mode, the Pixelbook folds down into a tablet, which is used in conjunction with a stylus. While it may not have the foothold the bigger companies do, the Pixelbook from Google has certainly put them on notice. Google's Pixelbook Go is the best Chromebook money can buy right now, and it's also a fantastic laptop for programming. Coming with a more affordable price tag than its predecessor, the Pixelbook, Google's latest Chromebook, still packs plenty of premium features the original came with, including amazing battery life and one of the best keyboards we've used on a laptop, an important consideration when looking for a laptop for programming. Number 4. Asus ROG Flow Z13. This unique laptop brings incredible power to a supremely thin and light form factor. In fact, it might be the most powerful tablet PC we've tested. It features a powerful 12th generation 14-core Intel processor, which will handle all your coding needs with ease. It also comes with an RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, which is handy for anyone who wants to code and test games. The 16GB of DDR5 memory also means this is supremely fast, and is ideal for people who want an easily portable laptop to code on. It has a thin keyboard, but some people may not find that comfortable to code on for long periods of time, so a larger keyboard may be necessary, which is easy enough to plug in. This is pricey, but it's a completely unique laptop that could transform how you code. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The Surface Pro 8 comes with an all-new design, but it boasts internals that are faster than ever. Just the ticket for all your demanding coding needs. It's not just, therefore, ideal for illustrators, graphic artists, and other creative professionals. There are other things to love here as well, like the Thunderbolt 4 ports and 2-in-1 design. Its bigger screen with 120Hz refresh rate is also a nice upgrade, giving you more space to spread out for more seamless workflow. The higher price is going to get in the way of some, but it might just be worth it for the pros. The Surface Pro 8 luckily brings some much needed design improvements to the table. The easiest one to notice is the new graphite color, which simply looks incredible. While it seems like Microsoft has been focusing on lighter shades for its devices in recent years, the darker colors with the year's lineup looks incredible. Bezels are also smaller than ever. And this is the final thing that makes the Surface Pro 8 look like an all-new device, rather than a relic from the early 2010s. It makes the screen look so much bigger and makes the device look more premium than ever, which is good, because it's also more expensive than ever. One of the best things about getting any Surface device, including Surface Pro 8, is that you're getting a pure install of Windows 11 without any kind of bloatware. Microsoft installs a totally pure version of the operating system, so you don't get any annoying pop-ups or useless programs opening for no reason, unless you install them yourself. Number 2. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 2-in-1 laptop had a big refresh in 2021, and now packs some of the most impressive mobile hardware money can buy right now. This means 11th generation Intel Core processors, along with an Intel Iris Xe graphics card, which makes the HP Spectre X360 an absolute beast when it comes to programming. It's not just a powerful programming laptop, it's gorgeous as well, with a 2-in-1 design and gem-cut body that's thin, light, and easily portable. It's got a great battery life, so you can comfortably work on it all day without worrying about having to plug it in. The 2-in-1 design means you can use it like a traditional laptop, but you can then fold the screen back and use it as a tablet as well. Number 1. MacBook Pro 14. In a time where internet speculation is rife, bringing out a product that stacks up to people's expectations is a burdensome task. However, as Steve Jobs once said, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. And with the reveal of Apple's new range of MacBook Pro laptops, anybody looking for a portable programming powerhouse can consider themselves very much shown. The M1 Pro chip housed within might play second fiddle to M1 Max, but when it comes to performance, it's up there with the best laptops available. Our benchmark testing saw the MacBook Pro 14 dominate, with its 10-core processor demolishing the scores of top-tier Intel and AMD powered laptops. Configurations also allow up to 64GB of RAM, 8TB of lightning-fast SSD storage, a 16-core neural engine, and a 32-core GPU. If programming needs require some serious performance, there are a few mountains that the MacBook Pro 14 can't get you to the top of. As is customary for Apple products, if it sounds out of this world, then the price tag is going to be also. The real crown jewel in the MacBook Pro 14 is M1 Pro chip. Several other improvements may help to soften that price for you. The most notable of which is the 14-hour battery life, a dazzling 14-inch display, a fantastic keyboard, and improved port selection that includes a full HDMI port and an SDXC card reader. Buying guide. The best laptops for programming are essential tools for any developers that want a powerful machine to work on, while also being portable enough that they can take it out and about with them and work almost anywhere. Screen size is really important when selecting one of the laptops for programming. You'll get more on a 15-inch screen than a smaller one, for example, so it's easier to read through code and make GUI adjustments. Of course, with a bigger display, you sacrifice portability. Also consider getting an Intel Core i5 processor as a minimum. That level of power isn't exceptional, but it will guarantee you enough performance, especially if you're doing things like working with complex website layouts that have a lot of background code. Large complex programs compile faster with a faster processor. Graphics can also be key depending on development you're working on. If you're working with game development in an environment such as Unreal Engine or Unity, then you need to consider the graphical requirements of those apps. And remember, it's a good idea to use an operating system that's aligned with your goals. Want to develop in Xcode for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac? Then you're going to need a Mac. Plus, the faster your laptop can compile, the less time you'll be spending waiting around. And that can mean you're more productive and are able to take on more projects. Let us know in the comments which malwares are you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.